Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Netspend card. First, find your new card and the activation sticker. You will need to visit the official Netspend website or call the toll-free number provided. Be ready to enter your 16-digit card number, the 3-digit security code from the back, and some personal information to verify your identity. Finally, you will create a unique 4-digit PIN, which is essential for using your card securely at ATMs and for purchases. Once activated, adding money to your Netspend card is straightforward. The easiest way is often direct deposit, which automatically loads your paychecks or government benefits. You can also add cash at thousands of convenient Netspend Reload network locations across the country. For digital transfers, you have the option to move funds from a bank account or even another Netspend card. Plus, the mobile app allows you to load checks directly using your smartphone camera. Managing your Netspend account is simple and convenient through their online portal or the mobile app. You can easily check your current balance, review your transaction history, and set up various alerts to stay informed about your spending. Explore optional services such as a high-yield savings account or purchase protection programs to enhance your card's benefits. Remember to regularly update your personal information and manage your security settings to keep your account safe and secure. Your Netspend card can be used anywhere Visa or MasterCard debit cards are accepted, both online and in stores. You can also withdraw cash at any ATM displaying the Visa or MasterCard logo, though fees may apply. Should you have any questions or encounter issues, Netspend customer service is available to provide support. Always take a moment to review your cardholder agreement. It contains important information about fees, limits, and other terms to help you use your card effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.